Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Electrum wallet seeds and keystore files, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, launch your Electrum wallet application. Next, ensure that you are logged into your wallet. Locate the menu at the top of the screen. Click on the wallet option to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select seed to access your recovery seed. You may need to enter your password for security purposes. Once the seed is displayed, write it down on a piece of paper. Make sure to store this paper in a safe and secure location. Do not share this information with anyone. Next, return to the main wallet interface. Click on the File menu in the top left corner. Select Save Copy or Export from the options presented. This action will allow you to download your keystore file. Choose a secure location on your computer for the download. Ensure that the folder is protected and only accessible to you. Once downloaded, navigate to that folder. It's highly recommended to create a backup of the file on a USB drive. This extra step provides additional security. Consider encrypting the file for added protection. To encrypt, right-click the file and select Encrypt or use third-party software. Make sure to remember the encryption password. Finally, verify that both your seed and the keystore file are backed up correctly. Store these backups in separate physical locations if possible. This ensures your assets remain secure even in case of loss or damage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.